teachers, in this video we will learn how to use InShot and KineMaster. First I'll make you understand how to use InShot, then we'll move to KineMaster. So for that you need to click on Play Store, and from Play Store you need to type InShot Video Editor. This video editor app to be installed in your device. After installation you will find the app has been installed, and then you need to click on InShot. When you have clicked on if you need to make the pages first, then you need to click on collage. Like I need to design first my page, and then I will move to video part. So I am designing my first page like this. My DPS logo needed to be added, and then I will click on this right button. After that I need to set the layout as well, like which layout I want in square part. So just I will set the layout as well, and then I need to set the background also, like I need to make blur my background. So I will click here that my background should be blurred, or I can use the simple color also. I can even use my gradient also, like I am using the gradient part. And then I will save it by clicking on right button. After that I need to add some text, so I'll click on text and I will write here Delhi Public School Jagdalpur. After writing Delhi Public School Jagdalpur, you can or any text, you can set its color, that which color you want your font type should be, or you can change its font also, that which font you want. And then by changing the font or color, even you can set the alignment also, that which alignment you want. You can set its size. Okay, and then after doing this all part, you need to click on right button. After that, if you found that your page is ready, you can click on save button.
क्या आपके सारे गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेजेस की वजह से फोन में जगह नहीं है?
After that you need to click on saved, and then you need to move to home section. When you have created your first page, you need to click on video part, and then you need to click on new option. Here you need to select the pages, that which all page you want, and then click on write. After that you can see that this is your first page, and this one is your second, and this is your third page. In these three pages we need to work. So first page is ready. Now you need to move to second page. If you want that any text should be written, you can click on text and you can add your mouse. Okay, you can set the font type, or you can set its color also. Even for if you want to add some animation in the text also, you can add by clicking on this button. This one you need to click, and from here you need to select that which transition you want, which type of transition you want. Like this, the transition will come or animation will come in the text part, and then you need to click on right button. Even you can add some text here as well, or you can add some sticker also. These are the stickers being available. All the stickers are available, you can add. After doing, just click on right button. So you can also add the transition in between these two slides, like by clicking here. You can add the transitions as well, and then you need to click on right button. Same, you can add transition here also. After that you can add some music also, like click on this music icon and then click on track. From here you can choose any of the music which is being available. After installation you need to click on use, and then you can see This is the video being prepared by using the transition and all. After doing, you need to click on right button and then you need to click on save. You need to select its resolution, that which resolution you want, like and your video is ready. You can directly share to any of your social media like WhatsApp, YouTube or Facebook. Anywhere you can save, or it will be automatically saved in your gallery as well. Thank you, teachers. Teachers, we will learn how to use KineMaster. KineMaster, in short, both are the video editor tools, but as compared to InShot, we get more transition effects and more tools in KineMaster. It is quite easy for us to show those effects in our video using KineMaster. So I'll make you understand how to use those effects. You need to click on this project icon first. Click here. You need to then select that which select the ratio, that which ratio of your project should be. Like I am selecting this ratio, that my project should be in this particular ratio. Next, after doing this, after opening, you need to select which all photographs will be needed in your project. Then click on right button. You can see this project has been installed. Next, you can add the transition effects in each clip. Like this I have added, and this one I need to add. I can add here some text as well, like what all text is required. After writing the text, I will press OK button. You can see this type of effect will be available. Then in the second clip also you can add some transition effect. Any transition effect you can add, which makes your video more attractive. You can even add the transition in between the slides by clicking on plus button, and here are many slide transition effects are available. You can select any of the transition like this, you can add, and here also you can add the same transition effect. Like this you can add some of the transition, and then just click on right button. When you will play, you will find you can play from the beginning. See, these are the transition and text effect which has been added right now. So accordingly you can add, even you can add some music also by clicking on audio button. This music I want to in here. Just click on right button and then play. So here you can add like I am playing it, you can see. So within a few minutes you can add many transition effects in KineMaster as compared to InShot. InShot is a basic tool for a beginner can be used, and if you want to add some more transition effect and in your slides or in your images, you can use KineMaster as well. So I hope these two app will make you understand how to use how to edit your video. Thank you.